So the key to Instagram blogging is you don't want to just be on Instagram to be your main source of traffic for your blog. You need to be on other platforms as well. Because in the end game, those platforms are just going to feed right into each other. If you have a podcast for your blog, so you basically vocalize your blog post like an audiobook. You have a Twitter so that you can, send updates for your blogs. Read this. If you have a Twitch so that you can actually do live streams of your blog posts and show the behind the scenes. And then of course the Instagram is basically your mini blog. The best Instagram bloggers out there excel at storytelling. That's how you get people to read from start to finish.
Story time, story time, story time.
And Instagram pushes your posts because of the watch time. So it's all about the watch time. It's all about how can you tell a story and also give value at the same time. You need to be able to emotionally connect with people. That's how you get people to talk about your stuff, to share your stuff, and to get attention. Enough with the follow and follow bull crap. Enough with the buying followers. Enough with the hacks and crap.
Oh.
Because that stuff is not going to get you anywhere at the end of the day. It's about developing an authentic following. Just because you do follow and follow, just because you buy followers and likes, doesn't mean people are going to care about you, and doesn't mean you're going to make money off of it, because people are going to see if you're fake, and if you're fake, goodbye. A better way to do it is to give value first, and after you grab someone's attention, you can have them do whatever you want. Look at niches in your industry. Go to the hashtag section and look at the niches that are used by that hashtag. DM all of those people and just get to know them. Like, develop a community, even DM them, say hi, nice to meet you, tell them, give them a compliment, and just say, I want you to check out my blog, hopefully this helps. Like 97% are gonna be like, freak you, I don't give a crap. 3% will help you with testimonies, and those 3% social proof, and they will also be a potential follower. Another way is to just kind of ride on other people's followers. Look at your competition, basically. Look at their followers and just DM all of them, or look at their Instagram posts and kind of just comment on those people that are commenting, and just DM those people as well, and just develop a community. Show that you're authentic, show that you're real, show that you're actually here to give value. Value is anything that impacts someone, whether it's educational, motivational, or entertaining. You have to give first before people will give a crap about you. Another huge thing is Facebook groups. You need to start a Facebook group. I need to get into this. I'm like really late. But I've heard about the power of Facebook groups as a blogger. You need to be on Facebook. You need to do Facebook groups. You create a community of people with similar interests and just, give them value and just get to know them. Honestly, these Instagrammers online lately have been so flippin' fake. Something as simple as saying, like, I'm reading this person's Instagram thing, and then someone said, I really love your content, and they said, welcome to my community. It's not your community. It's the whole people's community. It's our community. It's all of us here. Those little things can really, really piss people off. It's not about you. Another thing is, I met this one person online one day, and oh my god, like, his content was fire. He was talking about the Ikigai philosophy and about, how to control your life, how to be in tune with your life. He targets business coaches and entrepreneurs. He hit me with a follow, and then I was like, hey, thanks for the follow. I really love your content. This person seemed like someone I would get to know and really be a good friend. He was like, hey dude, like, I really love your content too. A lot of people say that. And then I said, I really love your content. I'm just here to make friends online and just spread my message. And he said, what kind of content do you make for bloggers? And I was like, I have the podcast, I have the YouTube, and I just create content online. And then he was like, oh, cool. And I said, just keep me posted, dude. I want to check your journey and, like, let's get to know each other. And it's like, yeah, I'll keep you posted. The day after, 2 days later, he unfollowed me. And I did not follow him back because I know this game. I know this jack crap, awful, fake people these days. I don't know if it's in their head that it's about the numbers. And you need to just get that out your head. It's not about the numbers. It's about the retention. It's about the retainment. It's about the watch time. How many people are you keeping in your community? How many people are you keeping inside the whole deal?
So fake.
Watch people be like, I just told
my mommy.
I quit my job for blogging. The only way to beat this game of people saying, oh, blogging's dying, is to cross-platform. Like I said, you need to have a podcast. You need to have an Instagram. You need to have a Twitter. You need to have a Twitch. The more platforms you're on, the more reach you get. That means people are going to find you, and then if they found you on your podcast, they're going to read your blog. If they found you on your blog, they're going to follow you on Instagram. And if they found your Instagram, they're going to follow you on Twitter and vice versa. So you need to cross-platform.
Ultimately, all of those platforms just feed right back into each other.
Apart from Instablogging, make it very clear on your podcast, your Twitch, your Instagram, your Twitter, any social platform, who your audience is and what are you going to give to them. What is your message? What is your beliefs? What do you stand for and what do you stand against? Because people are going to gravitate towards people who have a defined belief system, because at the end of the day, the psychology of humans is they want to feel accepted. They want to feel included. So if you know how to develop those belief systems and kind of make people feel included, then they're going to stay with you and they're going to be your cheerleaders and they're going to cheer you on when things get tough.
Never stop fighting for what you believe in.
And speaking of aesthetics is huge for all of your content. You need to make sure it's crisp, it's pretty. That's really what gives you even more traffic, is if your content looks pretty. But Instagram, no one gives a crap about a photo. A photo doesn't do crap. It doesn't do crap. All you need to do is focus on the captions. The photo is just entertainment. The captions is the value. But yeah, don't put yourself in a box that, like, I just have a blog, so that means I have full control of my data. Still, you need to be on those platforms that have a built-in audience, because it's a lot easier to grow. I promise you, like, if you have a podcast, if you have all these platforms, yes, you're not going to get immediate results to your blog because people don't care about you right now. You need to make people care, but I promise you, over time, people are going to kind of feed into the other platform. Your traffic is going to just go in so quickly, and you're going to get a lot more readers and a lot more people. And like I said about how this whole purge thing could happen any day on social media, own your email list. Anything could happen, and you work so hard for it.
Nope.
It's better to be safe than sorry. Have that direct-to-consumer relationship. Own your email list. And in terms of money, you can create courses like ebooks and, stuff that relate to your niche. And then you could do this method that I just created recently called the private writing coaching method, where you have people email you or DM you a really specific private blog post, and then you write this for them and they pay you. This is very great. And then yeah, you have the constant income and you have the active income. But yeah, this is not easy, guys. Like, people just think you just turn on the blog editor and write, post it on Medium, post it on Wattpad. Speaking of that, you need to be on multiple blogging platforms, not just WordPress, but be on Medium, Wattpad, Ghost, all those places. But a lot of people do give up, and they give up on the time where something amazing happens. Because don't give up, because the time when you actually start to give up is when that time the amazing stuff really does happen. So just, you have to stay in this game. If you're still blogging and you're still in it, then you are still surviving. But if you quit, that's the only time you fail. The only time you fail is if you're something you're not, you're faking this, or you quit. So you just have to stay in this game, and you have to be patient, and know your audience, know the trends in your niche, have the timing to post it at the right time, right place, or you're knocking on the wrong door. And you just gotta have a lot of blessings, a lot of praying, and you're gonna get noticed. Before you leave, I want you to check out my playlist, Chapter 3, How to Be the Blogger of Your Dreams already. That playlist, all the videos you need to be a better blogger. A lot of people think that I'm asking for something, I'm demanding something. No, I just want you bloggers to just crush it. I just want to build a community and just help you all be the best bloggers you can. So the playlist is up here, whatever, or it's also down below. Whenever you feel like clicking, you can click whatever. And don't forget to
subscribe.
I'm so grateful for you. I love your support, and I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Timely isn't going to work. You'll never get past the 1% barrier. How can we know for sure unless we try it? What's gonna happen is you'll watch my area die